I got a real good buddy said, hey man, can you build me some faux wood beams for my vaulted ceiling? I was like, hell yeah, let's get it. So I got a stack of 1x, ripped 45-degree bevels on each side, glued and fastened them together. So my guy was like, can you distress them? I was like, hell yeah, again, of course we can. So I got the flapper wheel, hit him up real good, got the Sawzall, hit it with a log chain a little bit, finished it off with the orbital sander. Nice and smooth. Y'all been out in the woods, and you see a tree that's carved up, got some initials and stuff in? That's what I'm going to do right here. Look at that. This is a surprise, so don't tell him, don't let him know. I just thought it'd be cool, give it that extra personal touch, because I mean, we've been really close friends for a long time, really, really good friends with the whole family, so I just thought it would be neat. So after we let the stain dry, I got out the old cup gun, filled it full of some polyacrylic, some satin finish, sprayed it on there, let it dry, hit it with some 400 grit sandpaper, and we're going to do it again, man. Look at that. Look at that sheen. Shoot. Beams are dried and we're ready to install, baby. Let's get it. So we started with the center ceiling beam, and then we're installing the brackets on the ceiling so it will accept our vertical beams. And to attach the brackets to the drywall, I used this anchor right here. I've never used this, and holy cow, I about lost all of my sanity trying to put these in. I had about a 90% failure rate. Must have been operator error, because I had to let Brent do it because he was good at it. Brackets are in. Beams are finished. Man, oh man, what a difference that made, man. That looks awesome. I'm very tickled the way it turns out. Looks great with the stone. And my man, he was ecstatic.